In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for Airbnb. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone or go to the Airbnb website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up button and click or tap it to begin creating your account. Airbnb gives you a few different ways to register, so choose the option that works best for you. You can sign up using your email address, your phone number, your Google account, your Apple ID, or in some cases, your Facebook account if that option is available. If you want the fastest setup, using an existing account like Google or Apple can save time. If you prefer more control, signing up with email is a simple choice as well. After selecting your preferred method, enter the required details. Depending on the option you chose, this may include your name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. Make sure the information is accurate since Airbnb may use it for account verification and account security later on. If you're registering with an email address, you'll also need to create a password. Choose a strong password that's hard to guess. A good tip is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols so your account is more secure. Next, Airbnb will ask you to verify your email address or phone number. Check your inbox or text messages for the verification code Airbnb sends you, then enter that code in the sign-up form. This step helps confirm that the contact information belongs to you and adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Once verification is complete, you may be prompted to finish setting up your profile. This can include adding a profile photo and any additional information Airbnb asks for. While some of this may be optional, completing your profile can help make your account look more trustworthy and ready to use, especially if you plan to book stays or host in the future. Before your registration is finalized, take a moment to review Airbnb's terms of service and privacy policy. When you're comfortable with them, accept the terms to continue. It's always a good idea to understand the platform's rules and how your information is handled. After that, your account will be created and you're ready to start using Airbnb. You can begin searching for places to stay, save listings to your wish list for later, or even explore the option to become a host. And that's all it takes to register for Airbnb.